Just leave it.
These things you've got to check before you go. So that's
Yeah, well, you'll get to that, won't you?
So, okay so far?
Yeah.
So you've done your fridge, shown how hot water works, microwave is straightforward microwave, okay? Cooker, gas and electric. I'm sorry about the dust, because it's settled. Right, so you got one electric one there, 800 watt. Okay, you shouldn't do this, but it's only it's warming up. Alright, the next thing, all the rest are gas. Okay. Okay, they're all working. Grill, that's working, okay. And the other one is your oven. That's it, okay. And the beauty of this is you can shut that down now, have more workspace, and your oven stays on.
Yep.
Still get gas to your grill and oven, okay?
Cool.
Gas isolation valves are all in there.
Yep.
They're all on, all been gas checked. You see little valves down there? They're all colour coded.
Yep.
Okay. So you shouldn't need to touch that if you just turn your gas off on your bottle. All this is for if you're on site somewhere and you can smell gas, you think, I think it's the fridge. You can then see what colour the fridge is, isolate the gas until you take it to your dealer.
Yeah.
So it's a safety thing more than anything, so don't need to touch those. Okay? Let's have a look. Header tank for your heating is in there. There's your chopping board and drainer.
Yep.
Header tank for your heating. Okay?
Okay.
You shouldn't need to touch that as long as it's between the two levels.
Yep.
That's your booster for your aerial, so you can switch it on and off there. Look, it must be on to get a picture. This is your digital aerial, and it's a directional one. So that's the back of the air. It's now pointing away from us.
Yep.
So all you do is you get the side, look where everybody else is pointing theirs. Say it's that way, tighten it up. You can alter the frequency to get a better picture by doing this.
Okay.
And it tilts the head over. And it tells you when it's going vertical, look.
Okay.
Always wind it back to the green before you drop it. It'll catch the top of the roof else.
Okay.
And when you're travelling, point it forward and tighten it up.
Cool.
Okay? Sorry about that.
Does that need to stay topped up?
You shouldn't need to touch it. If you do, all there is in there is a little, you can undo that, look. Turn the heating off first, undo that, and just top it up when it's cold.
Okay, just water.
Just a bit of water. You shouldn't need to put anything else in it, but
Cool.
it's antifreeze, but don't put too much water in it. If you find you're topping it up, go to your dealer and get him to check it, because what happens with these are quite critical on the viscosity. That's a good word, isn't it? Viscosity of the fluid.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
You sure? You look a bit mesmerised. Okay, so far. Okay? Access under your bunks down here. Okay, there.
It'll come up.
And there you go, quite tight going down, I think. And I'll just show you down here if you want to just bring your camera down. This is your control unit, yeah? So what you've got down here, you've got your 12 volt fuses, tells you what they are there. You've got your 240 trips, tells you what they are there, okay? Always check that they trip out when you press the button. If it doesn't, you've got an earth fault, okay?
Yep.
And if you look along there, that's a spare. That's your heating and hot water. That needs to be on to get your heating and hot water to work on electric. If you haven't got that on, the little plug symbol doesn't show up on there. That's your charger. So if I turn that off, everything now is running on your battery as long as it lasts.
Okay.
And that'll gradually, when you view levels now, I don't know if you just want to view levels, you'll see how it's dropped.
Yeah.
Okay? Put it back on, keep that one on. You've got a reverse polarity warning light, just tells you if it's reversed. And then you've got a system, it says staying on your drive. Or you put it in storage. Yeah. You can, if you put it into storage, you can turn that one off. System shut down. What it does, it just isolates all the power from your batteries altogether.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Wonderful.
Steve.
All your little things up there, all your cupboard. Don't know if you noticed these little ones. Oh, sorry, I'm so sorry. These are dimmable. See that? On the back of them. Just a new thing that's come out now, actually. You've got access under this plug. You can all your bits under here, I think. There you go. There's a little shower unit. There's your mains lead. There's your Alco wheel lock and your jack. And the wheel lock, if you look on the outside, there's a yellow plug on the back of behind the wheel.
You're right.
On the chassis.
Okay.
So your wheel lock, actually, you take that yellow plug out and you've got a you've got a profiled lock which fits into the hollows in the wheel.
Yeah.
If you line it up, then you've got a bolt that goes through that into the thread.
Okay.
And then you've got a lock that actually goes into which covers the head of the bolt.
Okay. Yeah.
And you can't take it off. So you'll get discount on your insurance if you tell me you've got that.
Yeah.
Okay. And if you get a hitch lock, you'll get discount as well.
Cool.
Okay. Little shower unit there, look. And you get a little waste master with it.
Wonderful.
So you may not need to buy a waste master.
Yeah. One less thing to buy, isn't it?
Yeah. If you haven't ordered them yet.
No.
Yeah. Use that one.
Cool.
Okay. I'm going to come in here and I'll let you have a play in a minute. You've got a radiator here, that's boiling.
Yeah.
Okay, just watch the little one with it.
Yeah.
Because that is hot if he comes in here.
Okay.
Well, she, is it she?
Yeah.
Sorry, I apologise, I should say. Well, so that is hot, it'll burn.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is there any way to turn that temperature of that?
No, it's on the heating. It's set at the set temperature.
Just leave the towel on it. Right.
The only other way you could do it is actually put a little cover over it or something, like make yourself a little cloth cover to go over that or something. So if she comes and stands against it, she's not going to burn herself instantly.
Yeah. Just leave it cool.
Yeah, something like that.
I mean,
Just be aware of that.
Coming here anyway, will she? She
Yeah.
can't use a toilet. Yeah.
Push button flush,
Yep.
toilet. Empty's just there. Yeah.
Okay.
And that little light comes on when your cassette's full.
Okay.
Your lights coming in are, good question, hang on, where are they?
Cool.
Mixer tap on your sink, mixer tap on your shower, and then that clips up there. You've also got a little hanger thing for, just, how do I get that around there? Ah, that's clever, isn't it? Oh, excuse me a minute. Whoever did it, I've just got to close that first, clip that up, and close that back. Not rocket
Does
science.
that shut fully? Is it open fully?
Yeah, it goes, there's a little clip there, so it clips it back. So if I do it to there, and then that clips down, look,
Okay.
stops it coming forward, okay?
Yeah.
That's just for hanging stuff.
Cool. Excellent.
I think that's about all I can tell you at the moment. Do you want to have a little play for 5 minutes or so?
Yeah, can do. Yeah.
Just for yourself, and we'll do